Hi guys, this is SELVA from the Manonmaniam University Library and Information Science Department, Tirunelveli. In this video, I'm gonna explain you the installation of Koha on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. The Koha is an open source integrated library system which is based on LAMP. The acronym LAMP stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL or MariaDB, and the Perl script. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open the terminal to initiate the process. Here the terminal opens and type sudo space su and it would ask your password of Ubuntu. I have entered my password. Sorry, I have wrongly entered my password and now I'm entered my password. The password won't show up to you, so don't be worried. And the first main step is to update and then upgrade Ubuntu. For update the Ubuntu, type sudo space apt hyphen get space update and press enter. The process will begin immediately, and the important thing is you should be patient while the installation is on process. When it would have completed, then we move on to the next step, which is upgrading the Ubuntu. So type sudo space apt hyphen get space upgrade. This command would upgrade the Ubuntu. It would take some time as usual. And do you want to continue? Press Y, okay, which means yes, and the process begins. You should have a good connection for the installation process. When this upgrading process completed, we would move to the next step, which is add the Koha current stable repository address and source package into the Ubuntu. So wait for it. Yeah, it is completed. Now we have to add the Koha current stable address, which is type echo space deb space http colon colon slash debin dot koha hyphen community dot org slash koha space stable main space that a line and space sedo space tee space slash etc slash wait for apt slash sources sources dot list dot d wait dot d slash koha koha dot list and press enter. And we have successfully added the Koha current stable repository address into the Ubuntu. Then we have heading into the another step. Type wget space hyphen o hyphen space http colon slash debin dot koha hyphen community dot org slash koha slash gpg dot asc space the vertical line space sudo sudo space apt hyphen key key space add space hyphen and press enter. Oh, sorry, I have made a mistake. I have typed 0 instead of O. Now I have to rectify the mistake. So now I'm copying the command and pasted it here. Paste. Now change the 0 as O. It is O, but I thought it was 0. So sorry for the inconvenience. Now we will move on to the another step. The process begins. Yeah, it is done. Here once again we have to update the Ubuntu. So type the command sudo space apt hyphen get space update. This command would update the Ubuntu again and press enter. So it is working. It fetched the data. Wait for it. Don't do anything. It's reading the package lists. Yeah, it is done. So the next step is installing the Koha's latest version. So type the commands sudo space apt space install install space koha koha hyphen common common and press enter. Okay, and do you want to continue? Yes, press Y. The process is going on. I'm sure it would take a more time and you should have a good connection, unless it would take nearly an hour to download all these files. So make sure to have a good connection. And we have installed the Koha latest version successfully by following the command. Now we have to edit the network configuration, information. So edit the network information. Type sudo space gedit edit space slash etc slash koha slash koha hyphen sites sites dot conf. Then the pop-up window will open. When it is open, we have to edit the network information. Click the 9 and press enter. Okay, now type intraport as it is shown above. Intraport, okay, space double quotation op, double quotation 8080. This one would be our staff interface. Okay, and now save this one, save and close the pop-up. Okay, and now type exit exit. Okay, and now again type sudo sudo space su. Okay, and the password of your Ubuntu, and then type the command which pop-ups on your window, sudo space apt hyphen get space install space mysql hyphen server. This command would have responsible for installing the MySQL server, and then the another step is configure setup the Apache. For setuping the Apache, type sudo space a2enmod space rewrite. we are rewriting the Apache. Then press enter and then type sudo space a2enmod space cgi and press enter. Okay. Then the next step is restarting the Apache. For restarting the Apache, type sudo space service space Apache apache 2 space restart and press enter. Okay, we are restarting the Apache. Now we have to create the Koha database. For creating the Koha database, type sudo space Koha hyphen create create space hyphen create hyphen db space library LIBRARY and press enter and move on to the next step, which is we have to add a port in Apache port configuration. For that, type sudo space gedit space slash etc slash Apache apache 2 slash ports ports dot conf and the pop-up window will be open. Here we have to edit the ports. Okay, in 6 type LISTN as it is typed above. Okay, listen space 8080. Okay, and save, close. And now once again we have to restart the Apache server. For that, type sudo space service space Apache 2 space restart and pressed enter. And the following step is to disable Apache's default site and enable Koha instance. So type sudo space a2edissite. We are disabling the site, so the commands this site and space 000 hyphen default default and press enter. Okay. The next one is type sudo space a2enmod. Here we modifying, so mod and space deflate 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 and press enter. Okay, then type sudo space a2enSIT. Now we are enabling space library and press enter. And again we have to restart the Apache server, so type sudo space service space Apache 2 apache 2 space restart and press enter. So the Apache restarted successfully. Now we have to check the Koha master password. For that, type sudo space Koha hyphen passwd space library LIBRARY and press enter. Okay, here you could see the password for library and save the particular password which would be useful for the future logins. So say I'm copying the password and pasted it. Okay, then press enter to clear the screen. Press enter. Okay, and open your browser and search 127.0.1.1 colon 8080. This one would be our staff interface. So we're searching the staff interface, and now we are installing the Koha with a web installer. So the username is Koha underscore library. The username is mutual to everyone, but the password is unique. We have to paste the password which we have copied earlier. So now I'm copying the password and yeah, okay, pasted it down here. Okay, paste and click login. Yeah, don't save. You want to save? Click save. Then choose your language, continue, and database settings, continue. Then okay, web installer database settings, okay, continue, setup database, continue. Okay, web installer success, so we have successfully installed, continue. Now install basic configuration settings, continue. Select your mark 21 and choose whatever you need and click import. It would take more time. This mark import is take much time. And web installer default data, okay, setup, click the setup and installation completed. Okay, now we have to create a library. I have entered my code and name. The code cannot be changed, so mind it before you type the. Now we have to create a pattern category, so I choose librarian as my category. So the code is L and I give librarian as a description. Okay, then enrollment period, choose, I'll give 120 months and submit. Okay, now we have to create Koha administrator pattern. Fill your details, surname, first name, card number. Okay, fill the details which are required. Don't forget the details which you have entered on this particular site. Okay, because this administration identity is very important. And administration login, this username would have asked each and every time when you get into the Koha. So don't forget the username and password. Okay, I'll give the username as SELVA 8754 and password. Okay, confirm password. Don't use the Koha master password here. Create a unique or separate password here. Okay, then okay, click submit. I'm telling you again, don't forget the username and password. Please note it down somewhere, or you could save it here. Okay, now we have to create a new item type. I'm here creating a books, so I give B as a code and description. I have typed books. Okay, submit. Then move on to the next one. Create a new circulation rule. I didn't do anything, so I just clicked submit. Then the web install completed. So we have installed the Koha through the web installer. Okay, start using Koha. Enter your username and password and login. Oh, this is the Koha's staff interface. How cool it is. It's shown my name and my library name. Okay, now I am showing my opaque. So for searching the opaque, please remove 180 from your search. Okay, then it would show near opaque. Okay, welcome with my name. This is the recap of this video, the step-by-step guide and the codes which I have used in this video. Okay, I have learned these codes from Raf Limit's YouTube channel, so I am here thankful to him. So thank you for watching. Until the next video, this is Kumar signing off. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.